tutorial for the Madalynne Simplicity S9729 variation. Before I get into the tutorial, before I get into the pattern alterations and all that jazz, let me first tell you about Madalynne in case you are new to this channel, to this video, or you're watching Madalynne, myself, for the first time. We are a Philadelphia-based lingerie company offering DIY lingerie kits, lingerie sewing patterns, bra making workshops both in person and online, free tutorials like this one, as well as ready-made lingerie. Basically lingerie that you could sew yourself or have ready-made. Lingerie that you can make at home, or if you are like my stepmom or some of my friends and have absolutely no sewing abilities whatsoever, we have a small team who sews it for you, which is called ready-made. So, S9729 variation is a really simple variation of Madalynne's pattern with simplicity, the S9729. It was inspired by a sewing friend who sent me, I'm sure you've all been there, one of your friends sent you something and said, you can totally make this. One of my friends sent me a TikTok and said, Maddie, this looks exactly like the S9729. And I said, yes, this is totally just like it, so easy, and it requires just one pattern alteration. That's it. But I know pattern alterations gives you the heebie-jeebies, gives you the chills, and if somebody says pattern alterations, you're like, absolutely not, don't even go there, I'm not even gonna try it. You have to try this. This is one pattern alteration, one change to the pattern, no changes to sewing, kind of, you just sew a straight seam, but that's it. And that's it. So I think this might be my shortest YouTube video because it is so simple, but I know that a lot of people, if I say the word variation, they want a tutorial. So I got you. So let's get into the one change for this variation. Are you ready for the one change for this variation? I swear, it is so easy. You might even laugh at yourself with how easy it is. So on pattern piece number 6, it is the skirt front A. There are 2 double lines just below the center front, going horizontally. And this is the line that you are going to cut across. The top portion becomes the lace that is on the slip. The bottom portion becomes the main fabric. If you purchased a kit, it was the Lycra. The only thing that you will have to do is to add seam allowances, which if you want 1/4 inch seam allowances, which is usually the case in bra making, you can make it 1/4 inch. If you want 5/8 inch, like garment sewing, you can do 5/8 inch. So step 1 is to cut across that horizontal line. Thank you to Simplicity for already putting those lines on the pattern. Step 2 is to add seam allowances to those 2 pieces. Step 3 is that you sew the top piece to the bottom piece using a straight stitch, back stitch at the beginning and end. And then you proceed with the directions as normal.